In this video, I will show you how to connect wallet to Wcoin. So to access your Wcoin account, first come and tap on Telegram and then open up the bot. This is the official bot, and then come and tap on play. So when you come and tap on play, you just wait for your account to load up a bit. As you can see, my account is loading up and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, I can mine it from here if I want, but for this case I'm not yet mining. So the main point is how to connect wallet to Wcoin. So if you want to connect wallet, come and tap on this icon here. But when you tap on the icon, this is your balance, and the option of connecting wallet unfortunately isn't yet available. So for this case, we're waiting for feedback and updates from the group, because in the official group they said the wallet connection will soon come, and so we have to be patient. But in the meantime, you can do some tasks here, like this one here. You can visit the Wcoin official website and get 2,000 every day. You can also invite your mates, might invite your friends, and then you get 20,000 for each person that registers. And you can do a lot more, like inviting 3 people, you get 2 million. Okay, so that's it guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.